Good morning and welcome to ELA, October 24th through the 28th. This week we wrap up our unit on informational essay writing. We are working within Module 3.05C, working on our editing and revising. We will be working on this in our live sessions as well. You can turn your essay in as early as this Friday, but not before. And I'm giving you an extra week to submit your work. So even though you can submit it the 28th, this Friday, it's not due until November 4th. To find your work, you always follow the numbers below. So it asked you to go to 3.05. That's what we're going to do. Then scroll down until you see 3.05. Here is your list of resources, which are the documents you need to write your essay. This is where you can find the rubric, and this is all the articles and videos that you can use for research. And then we worked on planning your essay for a week, and last week we drafted our essay, and we are now here revising and editing. So I'm going to click 3.05. When you're ready to submit your essay, you can do so right here. Let me click here real quick. It tells you this is where you submit your final draft. There's an expiration date of November 18th. You can't submit an essay after that point. When you click on this informational essay, you're going to see the assignment itself in case you haven't downloaded it yet. The instructions on the assignment are right there. All right, so I'm going to go back to 3.05. I'm going to scroll down and find 3.05C. Remember that 3.05A is where you did your outline in Classkick. B was last week. It was where you submitted your rough draft at the end of the week. And C is your final draft. So here you have the information. You can see it all laid out if you click on 3.05. This is the rubric under Documents You Need. Here are all the articles and videos. 3.05 has information on what a model essay should look like, planning your thesis statement, choosing your topics, evidence, and explanation, then planning your essay, Thursday, and then Friday is your work in Classkick, where you lay it all out in your outline. So that is 3.05A. 3.05B, I think it should be down here. Yeah, here we go. Talks about how to use your rubric and then write your rough draft. And C, which starts this week, has information on revising and editing. Let me go ahead and click on C since that's the week we're in right now. So on Monday, you're going to make sure that you review these 3 links for revising and editing. And then on Tuesday, it talks about bibliographies. And then Wednesday, you begin revising and editing if you haven't started already. And Thursday, and then you could submit it as early as Friday. And remember, you submit to the final draft assignment Dropbox, which you will see under 3.05. Thank you.